Hey guys, till now you might have heard to make the pani puris it is mandatory to use maida or you have to use very hot oil in this to make it crispy. This and all I'm going to prove that no need of any oil, no need of any maida, healthily and easily you can make it at home. Your kids can also have it as much as they can. So for this, take 1 cup of rava and 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and add salt. Pinch of salt is enough, and the boiled water. Don't mix it directly. Initially you have to mix it with some spoon and then knead it with your hand. Keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Cover the dough with some wet cloth. Now after 20 minutes you can see our dough hardens. Now you have to knead the dough again for 1 to 2 minutes. Now you have to divide the dough into equal parts. So this is no fail pani puri recipe. You also try at your home. If you find it useful, then only like my video. This is very healthy. Instead of buying from outside, you can make it at your home and give it to your kids or adults. So these puris you can store for some 15 to 20 days. It will be crispy, it won't become soft. So please follow the steps. Here you have to cut into the small balls as shown in the video. Here I am making small puris. If you want little bit more bigger puris, you can cut the balls accordingly as per the size you want. Since I am making it for my 3-year kid, I am making it smaller. So now roll it gently with your palm and just press it. So as shown in the video. Now prepare all the balls as small coins. So now I am sprinkling some flour so that these balls won't get stick to each other. So you have to sprinkle the flour so that you can easily take it and roll it. It won't get stick. Now take some balls and remaining balls you have to cover with some wet cloth and keep it aside. Now take one ball and gently press it and roll it as a circular shape. Here the puri should not be too thin. If it is too thin, then it will become papads. If it is too thick, then our puris will become soft after frying. So you have to make sure our puris thickness should be medium. So this is the key point in making crispy puris. Don't over press it, gently press it. So likewise you have to make all the puris and place it on a wet cloth. No need of covering it with any cloth. Now the oil should be heat enough. If it is very hot, then only add the puris into the oil. The oil should not be on medium heat, it should be very hot. So here you can see how nicely our puris are getting puffed. So I am showing you live results. Without maida, without any hot oil, you can make the puris easily at home and healthily. So once the puris started puffing up, you have to lower the medium to low. You have to keep the flame to low and fry it until the puris becomes golden brown in color. Please follow the steps whatever I am sharing with you. So once the puris becomes golden brown, you can take it out from the oil. Here one more step is you have to make sure our puris becomes golden brown. Don't take it too quickly, otherwise our puris become soft. So now for the second batch you have to increase the flame to high, let the oil becomes hot, then add the puris as shown in the video. Here you can see how nicely it's getting puffed. You are also excited to try this recipe, right? You also try at your home. I am sure you will get this kind of puffed puris. So once the puris are puffed, you have to keep the flame to low and fry the puris until it becomes golden brown and enjoy. If you like the video, please don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.